nor yet gather for the storehouse any fruits the corn bring forth. Yet your heavenly Father feed them, then what future can you dread? You to Him so much more precious, shall you not like them be fed? See the lilies of the meadow, how they melt the eternal spring. In delightment makes the splendor of King Solomon's dim. Then shall God not clothe His children, whom He loves, for whom He is, if He so bedeck the glasses, waste of armor concern on. Be not anxious for the future, what to eat or drink your way, for such foolish fears and worries are tumbling gentle care. But your heavenly Father one day fills you up on eager wing, and before you ask your Father, knows you need of all the things. Seek you first your Father's kingdom, and His righteousness, and do not your will, but His, and surely these things shall be added to. Be not anxious for tomorrow, carry no day burden twice. God has planned the days their troubles, for they one day shall suffice.